Hey guys, thanks for joining Dee and Coco's Epic Adventures. Today we are here in beautiful Kuala Lumpur. We are on the Masjid Jamek pedestrian bridge, which overlooks the River of Life. It also separates the Sultan Abdul Samad building, which was built in 1894, finished in 1897, and the Supreme Court building, which was built in 1912, finished in 1915. We're starting off at the Sultan Abdul Samad building, and then we're going to head over and take a walk through Merdeka Square, and then we're going to hang out and take a rest for a minute at the I Love KL statue because it is hot, and then we're going to walk over to see the entrance of the River of Life, where we're going to wrap things up with seeing the Sultan Abdul Samad Jamek Mosque, which is the oldest mosque in Kuala Lumpur. This area is so beautiful. We wanted to show you both day and evening because it is beautiful during the day, but just stunning at night. They're both drastically different, even though they're the same area. And we wanted to give you an idea. That way, when you come and visit, you know what to expect. We highly, highly recommend coming here. It was safe. It was gorgeous. It's very clean. And you're just going to love it. It is hot though, so be prepared. Again, the Sultan Abdul Samad building was finished in 1897 and was built by a man named A.C. Norman. He also was the designer of the Jamek Mosque. You'll see that the design has a beautiful blend of British and Muslim influences, and the clock tower actually was made to resemble Big Ben in London. It was used as the British administration in Malaysia, and the building used to be called the Government Offices until the name change in 1974. Originally, Merdeka Square was used as a cricket field under British rule. But in 1957, the Prime Minister at the time, Tunku Abdul Rahman, lowered the Union Jack and raised the Malaysian flag. This signified the end of the British rule. And here in the square, you're going to find one of the world's largest flagpoles proudly flying the Malaysian flag, standing at 95 meters tall. Walking past the flagpole and down the steps, right across the street you're going to find the I Love KL statue. And next to the KL statue you're going to find the old beautiful chartered bank that was built in 1909 by the same architect A.C. Norman. Now time to head off to the River of Life and the Jamek Mosque. This area goes in a complete circle, so you can walk from here down past the mosque and then back up around. So it takes you all the way around. Time for some water. I am parched. Remember to stay hydrated out here. It is hot. Luckily, there are some amazing convenience stores all around Kuala Lumpur. The River of Life is one of the most iconic places in Kuala Lumpur, and nestled between where the two rivers meet, you'll find the Jamek Mosque. I believe you can hear the call to prayer in the early morning, late afternoon, and right after sunset. And here, sitting in the heart of the city, is the oldest mosque in Kuala Lumpur, the beautiful Masjid Jamek Mosque, formerly known as the Sultan Masjid Abdul Jamek Mosque, is nestled between the Gombak and Klang rivers, where the two rivers meet, forming the River of Life. It dates back to 1909, and it was inspired by the mosques of India. As you can see, the landscape transforms before your eyes from day to night. It shifts into an atmosphere almost filled with a serene and magical presence. When you come at night, you will see the mist rising off of the River of Life, and you will hear the call of prayer echoing through the night, beckoning you to come and listen, regardless of what religion you are. Thousands of people come to this area of Kuala Lumpur every year, but it gets especially busy during the Merdeka Day Parade and the Malaysian Independence Day, which is August 31st. If you're thinking about going to Kuala Lumpur, if it's on your list of maybes, put it on the list of do's. This is an incredible city. I am so grateful that I got to go, and we are looking forward to going back. We definitely want to come and stay for a while and visit and just see all of Malaysia, but Kuala Lumpur has a special place in our hearts. This place is amazing. It has so many things to do and see, and amazing food. The people are wonderful. The transit system is amazing. So easy to get around. And I mean, this area alone is stunning both day and night. But again, there's so many things to do here. You can go to the KLCC Park. It's huge. You have the Petronas Towers, the malls, Chinatown. The shopping there is really incredible. The amazing food. I mean, and when you're done, you're a hop, skip, and jump away from the rest of Malaysia, so you can make a whole trip out of it. The one thing that I would recommend though is, as a woman, there is a different vibe here. So dress modestly and have a strong male presence with you. I was really happy that Dee and I were together. I wouldn't come here as like a girls trip or plan this alone as women, just because there's a different vibe here for women. But again, I didn't feel unsafe. I just would recommend having a strong male presence with you. But other than that, the city is really amazing. The dress modesty tip is just my little piece of advice. You get a different vibe here from the men. So even in regular shorts and tank tops, nothing too revealing, you will feel a different vibe from men. So just be aware. It's really amazing to be in Merdeka Square at night and see how it comes alive. With the cooler temperatures, again, it's still really hot, but it's cooler. Just all the families come out, all these people come out and enjoy the street, set up picnics, ride their scooters and bikes along the street, and just enjoy the nighttime. It's a great place to be, honestly. So what do you want to say?
We're having a good time on last night, and tomorrow it's time to go to the land of smiles and burn up even more.
Lots of hot temperatures for the next almost 2 weeks, but after that we're going to go back to the cold, and then the cold at home. So.
And go skiing. Skiing, Deer Valley. We recommend bringing cold medicine. You will get sick. It's you will get a dry cough. It's from the different temperatures, the pollution. Vietnam was very polluted.
And being around different people.
Different people. Japan was actually polluted in Tokyo. Smog.
Vietnam was the worst.
Yeah. And we are coffeeed out.
Yeah.
They could drink coffee. I've had it. Coconut coffee, caramel coffee, salted coffee. We didn't try the egg coffee, right?
No, we didn't try egg coffee. But we're just enjoying our last night here.
Go to the street market soon.
And we're going to go get some food. So that's the end of that. Talk to you later. So now that we've been here both day and night, it's time to go back to the train and get this night wrapped up. You can see how close the train system is here, right above us. But before that, we're going to go get some water because I am parched. Heading up to the train station and look at this beautiful view. We just loved how accessible the train system was out here. It was so easy. And we love seeing these fireworks at the end of the day from the train station. It was perfect. Well, that's it for our travels for today. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels.